The Nigeria Police Force has recorded major operational successes in Kaduna State, aligning with the vision of the Inspector General of Police IGP Kayode Egbetokun to ensure a safer Nigeria through intelligence-led policing and inter-agency collaboration. Force PRO ACP Olumuyiwa Adejobi, while briefing journalists in Abuja on Thursday, revealed that on April 9, 2025, operatives of the Kaduna State Police Command's Anti-Kidnapping Unit, in collaboration with the Office of the National Security Advisor, rescued 17 kidnapped victims abducted on March 3 from Sarkin Power, Niger State. The victim, aged 1 to 35, were rescued through a non-kinetic approach and taken to the police clinic in Kaduna, where they were confirmed to be in stable condition.
9th April 2025, in a remarkable feat of interagency collaboration and strategic intelligence deployment, operatives of the Kaduna State Police Command Anti-Kidnapping Unit, in conjunction with the Office of the National Security Advisor, successfully rescued 17 victims who had been abducted on 3rd March 2025 from Sarkin Power in Niger State. This operation, notably achieved through a non-kinetic approach, evidences the commitment of the IGP to leveraging intelligence-led policing and interagency synergy to address security challenges.
In another operation, officers of the Nigerian Police Force intercepted a commercial Volkswagen Sharon vehicle at Kawo Central Motor Park, Kaduna. He added that the search led to the discovery of 21 fabricated AK-47 rifles hidden inside, while the suspect, Jamilu Suleiman, 27, confessed to being directed by a union member to deliver the arms to an unknown receipt. Also on April 9 at about 5 a.m., officers responded to a distress call about an armed robbery at Dogin Farm along the Kaduna-Abuja Expressway. Adejobi said these coordinated efforts highlighted the Nigerian police force's resolve to tackle criminal activities and ensure public safety nationwide.
On the same day, 9th of April 2025, operatives of the Anti-Kidnapping Unit, acting on credible intelligence, intercepted a commercial Volkswagen vehicle at the Kawo Central Motor Park in Kaduna. Upon thorough search, officers discovered 21 fabricated AK-47 rifles concealed in the vehicle. The suspect, identified as Jamiu Suleiman, a 27-year-old male resident of Rafin Guza in Kaduna, was arrested and is currently in custody helping us carrying out our investigation. During preliminary interrogation, the suspect confessed that he was instructed by a union member to deliver the firearms to an unidentified individual in Kaduna.